just given the donation for this center also and for the IIT project also. Director of DIT, Director of Technical Education, Vivek Kamath, and one who is instrumental for the signing of this MOU, Dr. Jennifer, and also Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, Mr. Ajit Raghavan, one is the President of the National Secretary of the FSDC. All the donors, those who have come from all the part of the India. So first of all, thank you for all of you for donating the good lab for our center. आणि माझ्या मोगाळ भुरग्यानो सगळ्यात पयली आता एक बरो स्टेटमेंट डॉक्टर जेनिफर हांणी केलो. आमी इतके दीस स्वच्छ गोंय सुंदर गोंय म्हणटालो, ताणें आनी एक ॲड केलें, इट इज एन सुरक्षीत गोंय. दॅट इज ट्रू. स्वच्छ गोंय, सुंदर गोंय एंड सुरक्षीत गोंय. सो डेफिनेटली with the signing of this MOU between the FSDC and Goa College of Engineering, in future we'll get good skilled manpower in the state of Goa. So we had already started the another MOU with the National Plumbing Institute, in the same with the engineering college. So the day by day the skilled manpower will develop in the state of Goa. We are signing one more MOU with the construction institutes. I am not remembering exactly the name of that institute, but one with the National Construction Institutes, they wants to sign the one more agreement with the government of Goa. So SOCM, another someone, they are ready. They want some space, but definitely with the engineering college will sign that. And the skilled manpower in the construction industry also, and the day by day we will develop. At present, the skill development is with me, and as rightly the Menon had asked me for the certification of the courses with the FSI. I think for this course you not required any, as the Goa Engineering College is there. But also still, if you required for the certification course, the HRDF, the Human Resource Development Foundation, which is certified by the government of Goa under the Skill Development Ministry, we are ready to give you the certification course and for the certificate, so that you can start in our ITI also. In the future, I am adding to that, whenever the manpower, your skilled manpower you required in your fire departments. Okay, for that purpose, we can say that those who did this type of courses will give them preference in that type of course. So, as the upgradation is happening and the skill development is happening, we want to change the rules and regulations of all the posts also in future. So as the time comes for the firemen, for the fire safety officer, this type of certification is also for the compulsory, otherwise for the preference will take into the consideration definitely, and that is required. So दुसरी गजाल म्हाका दिसता, गोंयांत अशाच पद्धतीची वेगवेगळी स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटची इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स येवपाची गरज आसा. आणि जशें निलेश काब्राल हांणी म्हटलें की आमकां फ्युचर जर स्किला कडेन वयतले आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निकल एड्युकेशन्स हांच्या बरोबर आमी अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ अवर इंजिनियरींग कॉलेज हाजो निश्चित रित्या, म्हणजे ताजो नॉट ओन्ली इन द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बट ऑल्सो इन द स्किल, हाज्या बाबतीतूय ताजो विचार करपाक सुरवात केला. एट प्रेझंट गोंयांत आशिल्ली डायरेक्टर ऑफ IIT, NIT, बिट्स पिलानी, and even the GIM and our engineering college, along with them we can think how we can develop the skilled manpower, how we can upgrade the state manforce. ताज्या लेवलाचेर विचार करपा खातीर थोड्याच दिसा भितर म्हाका दिसता we'll sit together, we'll discuss and we'll form one committee. So on that basis in future for the futuristic skill developmentaचो विचार जो आसा हो स्टेटींतल्यान निश्चित रित्या जातलो. पयरूच 2 दिसाच्या पयलीं हांव CS ह्या विशयाचेर उलयतालें, बट बाय टेकिंग ऑल इंटू द कॉन्फिडन्स दोज आर द एक्चुअल प्रोवायडींग द स्किल फोर्सीस इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, ह्या सगळ्यांचो विचार करून गोंयांतल्या एड्युकेशन सिस्टमाचो विचार केलो वतलो. आमकां फक्त ग्रॅज्युएट क्रिएट करपाचें ना, म्हणजे BA, BCom, BSc किंवा फक्त आतां पर्यंत आमी म्हणटाले की जस्ट नॉट द इंजिनियर्स बट बिसायड्स दॅट्स some other types of courses also we want to start. कारण Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is thinking of the Nava Bharat Nirman, the New India formation. And when we are thinking of the New India formation, त्याच्या वेळार आमकां फ्युचरिस्टीक एड्युकेशनाचो विचार करपाक जाय, जे एड्युकेशन्स देशात आणि इवन दो इन द फॉरेन कंट्रीज कशा पद्दतीन ताजो यूज जातलो हाजो उपयोग आमकां आतां पासूनच करपाची सुरवात करची पडटली. आनी ते जर एट प्रेझेंट आमी रायटली ऑन दीस प्लॅटफॉर्म जर तेजो विचार केलो आसत तर आमी म्हणटा की आमकां इंजिनियरींग जावन बेकार रावचें पडपाक जायना, हें म्हजें म्हणणें आसा. 21 स्टुडंट्स I have completed my graduation, I have completed my post-graduation engineering, and I'm still sitting at my home. No, this should not happen. That's why we want the support of the NIT, IIT, all the institutions. And with this, I think the Honorable Prime Minister's vision, नव भारत निर्माणान आमी नवे गोंय, स्किल्ड गोंय करपा खातीर आमी सगळे जाण मेळोन आणि all the bodies, the FSAI, I'm always asking those were the body working with the government. Definitely, that day I was for the GCCI. That time also I have asked the support of all the bodies, those who are working with the government. So हांच्या सगळ्यांच्या सहकार्यान जर आमी हे करप शक्य जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता डेफिनेटली गोंयांत अशा पद्दतीची स्किल्ड मॅनपावर तयार जातली फुडल्या 10 वर्सांत. म्हणजे आज जे सांगतात की आमी चुकून बेकार आसा, फुडल्या 10 वर्सांत आमकां एकटोय बेकार उरलेलो दिसचो ना. आणि निश्चित रित्या वयल्यान आमचेच भुरगे फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करपी आसतले. आणि ताजीच अपेक्षा हांव सगळ्या कडल्यान दवरतां. आज हो MOU सायन जाता आसतना मनाक खूब बरें दिसता, कारण आमी एक स्टेप फुडें वता. म्हणजे बाय टेकिंग द इनिशिएटिव्स फ्रॉम द प्रायवेट सेक्टर वी आर गोईंग द 1 स्टेप अहेड. अशाच पद्दतीन आमी प्रायवेट सेक्टराच्या बरोबर जर आयले जाल्यार गोंय जॉयंटली, म्हणजे इट इज ऑलवेज नॉट अलोन वी कांट डू एनीथिंग. The government can't do anything alone. Only it is possible when so many people comes together, so many organizations come together, then only it is possible. त्या खातीर आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर परत एकदां हांव FSDC फॉर their national president, for the Mr. Ajit, again for our Dr. Jennifer and his entire team, one is the main one who have taken the initiatives for signing this MOU along with our engineering college on this occasion. Congratulations for them, and in future so many students will do this certificate course and they having the bright future, and definitely the स्वच्छ गोंय, सुंदर गोंय आणि सुरक्षित गोंय उरपा खातीर आमी सगळे जाण सदोदीत प्रयत्न करतले इतकेंच सांगता. आणि आयच्या दिसाच्यो शुभेच्छा दिवन म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता.
Thank you, sir.